Hey guys, in this video we go over how to check hours played on the PlayStation app. So if you're curious about how many hours you've spent gaming on your PlayStation, here's how to do this step by step. So first things, of course, you want to go ahead and open the PlayStation app and log into your PlayStation Network account, the PSN account, okay? If you're not already logged in, then what you need to do is you need to go to your profile to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Now here you can access your games list. You scroll down to find your game section where all the games you've played are displayed. And you can go ahead and select a specific game from the list. Here you'll see detailed stats including the total hours you have played. For example, here you can see Ghost of Tsushima was played at 287 hours. Elden Ring was played for about 266 hours. And of course, for more additional stats like, trophies and recent activity, you can check the overview or stats tab for a comprehensive breakdown. And there you have it, guys. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.